Hello, driving intelligence community. Another quick tip for you. If you have a 10th generation F150 and you want to remove this slider glass, I'm going to show you how to do that without removing the entire window. This is seriously simple. What you got to do, there's a little insert in here that needs to be pulled out. Don't damage it. Once you pull this out, there's a little thick piece of plastic in here that holds the glass in place. You can just pull this whole thing out, slide it out, and now the glass is removable. How about that?